If you're considering using TurboTax for your tax filing, there are a few key things you should know before making a purchase. This app is one of the most popular options for filing taxes, but how does it stack up against competitors like H&R Block or TaxSlayer? Let's dive into the 12 important things you should consider before hitting that buy button. First thing, TurboTax is incredibly user-friendly, and that's a huge plus. Compared to H&R Block, it offers an easier walkthrough with a clean interface that guides you step by step through the entire process. However, that ease comes with a price. TurboTax tends to be a bit more expensive than its competitors, so make sure the convenience is worth the extra cost. Next thing, TurboTax offers a range of plans, from free basic filing for simple returns to more advanced packages for self-employed individuals or those with complex tax situations. But if you need to file your taxes with any level of complexity, expect to pay for an upgrade. H&R Block might offer a more competitive pricing structure for similar services. The third thing is the accuracy guarantee. TurboTax promises an accuracy guarantee, which ensures you'll get your maximum refund, or they'll cover any penalties if there's an error in your filing. This feature adds peace of mind, especially when compared to competitors like TaxSlayer, which doesn't offer the same level of financial protection. Fourth thing to know is about the pricing for additional services. While the basic filing might be free, things like state filing or adding audit protection can quickly make your total more expensive. Keep this in mind, as these additional costs can sneak up on you, even though some other apps like TaxAct bundle state filing with their packages. The fifth thing, TurboTax's mobile app is solid. It's available for iPhone, and it allows you to file your taxes directly from your phone. But if you're looking for a feature-packed app, H&R Block's mobile app has a few more bells and whistles when it comes to managing your taxes on the go, so it might be worth checking out. The sixth thing to consider is the help and support TurboTax offers. It has live chat support, phone support, and even access to live tax professionals on higher tier plans. This is a major advantage over many competitors, where you may only get email or chat support and have to pay extra for professional assistance. Next thing, if you have a simple tax situation, TurboTax can help you file for free. However, when your taxes get a bit more complicated, expect to pay more for those advanced features. The free tier with TurboTax is great, but it can't compete with other apps like Credit Karma Tax, which also offers free filing, no matter the complexity of your taxes. The eighth thing to know is TurboTax's integration with other financial tools. It integrates seamlessly with financial accounts like banks and investment platforms, which can save you time. This is a helpful feature, but it's worth noting that some of the competitors, like TaxSlayer, also offer integrations, though the experience may not be as polished as TurboTax. The ninth thing, TurboTax also allows you to import previous year's tax returns easily, which can save a lot of time if you've used TurboTax in the past. However, if you've used other software, such as H&R Block, you may find their import process to be just as smooth, so don't assume TurboTax has a monopoly on this. The 10th thing to consider is TurboTax's customer satisfaction. While many users praise it for being intuitive and efficient, some users have complained about the steep price for additional services. But if you're willing to pay for the convenience, it's hard to beat. The 11th thing, TurboTax offers audit protection, which is helpful for those worried about the IRS. You can add this service, which provides assistance if you get audited. While competitors like H&R Block also offer audit protection, TurboTax's service is more comprehensive and easier to access. And the 12th thing to know is the final cost. While TurboTax might seem like the go-to solution, remember that you'll often be paying more than you would with other apps. If you're simply looking for a straightforward, no-frills tax solution, apps like Credit Karma or H&R Block may save you money without sacrificing quality. In conclusion, TurboTax is a solid choice with its user-friendly interface, accuracy guarantee, and strong customer support. However, it can get expensive, especially if you need to file more complex taxes. If you're looking for a more affordable and comprehensive option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.